Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay and doing well and enjoying the life with their sweet family and sweet friends like me. I am also good, Alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to our video. Today I am going to share with you very impressive and very beautiful and attractive ideas, beautiful wooden wall decoration ideas, wall painting and art ideas. Wow, if you are watching first time my video, then please like, comment and follow my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So please, when you press the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and tips ideas. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing these all videos with your all family and all friends. It's amazing and fantastic and fabulous ideas, beautiful ideas. It's fantastic and stylish ideas, beautiful wooden wall decoration ideas, wall painting, wall art and many different type of beautiful shapes. Some are animal shapes and some are beautiful, cute, fantastic short projects, art and short beautiful painting art about wooden for wall decoration ideas. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing these all videos with your all family and all friends. It's all our highly requested ideas and beautiful ideas about wooden, wall decorated, wall painting, wall art